Hello and welcome to this video. In recent videos, we discussed the diversity visa interview notification in detail. We saw when to expect it, where to look for it, and even what it looks like. This time around, we will be considering things you need to do after you receive your interview notification. Let's begin. Interview notifications are already being sent out to applicants of the DV 2023 program. And so, as you receive yours, what are those things you need to do to prepare for your diversity visa interview? The first thing you need to do after you receive your interview notification is to schedule your medical examination. Diversity visa medical examinations are not conducted at just any health facility. There are authorized physicians in the different countries, and it is with one of such physicians in the country where you will be interviewed that you have to schedule and attend your medical examination. So if you have received your interview notification but you have not yet contacted an authorized physician in the country where you will be interviewed, then you have to do so immediately. When you contact the physician, let them know that you have been scheduled for a diversity visa interview and also give them the date of your interview as specified in your interview notification. Your medical examination is to be conducted before your diversity visa interview. And so it is based on the date of the interview that the medical examination will be scheduled. And that will also be an opportunity for you to ask questions regarding the medical examinations. For example, how much it is going to cost you, how do you get prepared for it, things that you need to take along with you to the medical examination, etc. Family members who are accompanying you also have to participate in the medical examination. But those family members who you intend to join you at a later date are not to undergo the medical examination along with you. Their medical examination will be arranged and conducted when it is about time for them to join you. At the end of the medical examination process, the physician may give you the result of the process sealed up in an envelope. Do not open that envelope, but keep it safe and take it along with you to your diversity visa interview. In some cases, you are not given the envelope, but the result is sent directly to the embassy. In such a case, do not bother. Your medical examination result will already be at the embassy on the day of your diversity visa interview. Now, for those of you who would like to contact an authorized physician in the country where you will be interviewed, you can get their contact information from the official website of the United States Embassy in that country. I'm going to include a link to the State Department's webpage that contains the list of United States embassies. Click on that link and it's going to take you to that page. Once you are on that page, scroll down and look for the name of the city where you will be interviewed. Click on that city and it's going to take you to the official website of the United States Embassy that is located in that city. On that website, you will see a link that says Medical Exam Instructions. Click that link and there you will find the names, addresses, and contact information of physicians who are authorized to perform diversity visa medical examinations in that country. Use the contact information on that page, contact an authorized physician, and schedule your medical examination. Now, the next thing you will have to do after you have scheduled your medical examination will be to consult and go through the website that I just spoke about. That is the official website of the U.S. Embassy where you will be interviewed. When it comes to diversity visa interviews, there is information that pertains to applicants in general. And then there is also specific information that concerns only applicants who will be interviewed at each specific embassy. It is on the official website of each embassy that you can find such information. For example, you will discover their interview guidelines. That is, actions you have to perform before your diversity visa interview. You will also discover their pre-interview checklist. That is the list of things that you have to bring along with you to your diversity visa interview. So it is on the official website of the embassy where you will be interviewed that you will find such information that is specific to applicants who will be interviewed at that embassy. So do not neglect this second point. It is very important. It is by means of this second point that you actually get prepared for your diversity visa interview. And now let's move on to our third and final point, which is preparing those things that you have to take along with you to your diversity visa interview. So after you have scheduled your medical examination and you have gone through all of the information that is on the official website of the embassy where you will be interviewed, then you will have to gather and arrange those things that are required to be taken along with you to your diversity visa interview. And those things include the passport of each person in your case, 2 identical color passport size photos for each person with size 2 by 2 inches or 5 by 5 centimeters, the required documents along with photocopies. Now, when it comes to the list of required documents, I made a video on that subject some time ago, so I'm also going to include the link to that video in the description of this one for those of you who did not watch it, to give you an idea of the documents that are needed for your case. Now, what is interesting is that all of what you need to take along with you to your diversity visa interview and the entire process from the time you receive your interview notification to the interview itself are all explained in detail on the official website of the embassy where you will be interviewed. And that is why I said you should not neglect the second point that I spoke about in this video. Instead, read through all of the information you will find on the website and apply all of the instructions that is given there. Once you do that, you will be fully prepared for your diversity visa interview. And with that, we come to the end of today's discussion. Thanks for watching this video. And now, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment area below, and I will see you, God willing, in the next video. Goodbye.